Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the Ask AI chat and get answers application as a gift advisor application, or how to use this gift advice feature. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on the or slide to the right side in the middle of the screen and tap on social. Then click on the second option, gift advice. Here you can find the preset instruction. Act as a gift recommender. You will help for people who have no idea what to get as a present. Your first message is, who do you want to buy a gift for and what are their interests? So you should type in your preferences, gift for my mom, for example, and then click on the send button and you will get gift recommendations in a few seconds. Here the AI is asking for your recipient's interests or hobbies. Type it in to narrow down the gift options a little bit more. You will get more personalized gift recommendations in a few seconds. So here you can see the gift ideas. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.